Hi, I'm Lou. In a recent video I fixed this stuttering mower, and guess what? The problem is back, so let's fix it again right this time. This mower has a low fuel tank, so it has to have a fuel pump to lift the gas up to the carburetor. Here's the gas tank removed, and the pump sucks out gas with this straw. The gas tank sits right there under this cover. To eliminate the pump as a source of the problem, I took it out of the system and I'm feeding the carburetor directly with a gravity feed tank. The mower starts up just fine, runs for about 60 seconds and dies. Okay, that was 45 seconds. This little bowl under the carburetor gets used by the engine as its personal little gas tank, and then it gets refilled by the big tank. This little solenoid valve allows flow from the big gas tank to the bowl. We're thinking that this is faulty. We'll disconnect the wire to it, shut off the gas flow by pinching the hose. If you squeeze real tight here, you can unscrew it with the channel locks, and it's going to drip a little gas from the bowl. So here it is, and when the power turns on, it pulls this needle down, which lets the gas in. We're going to assume this is bad and not going down, so we'll just cut it off. Back in it goes, and there's no need for the electrical now. I unpinched the gas line. Let's give it a try. 40 seconds. Nope, that didn't help. At this point, I'm guessing it's a gummed up carburetor. I've tried to clean it, and I could probably try more, but a new one was only 40 bucks, so we're gonna put that in. Filter housing, take it off the carburetor, pull off this tube, and then this whole thing comes off. I'm noticing one difference in the old and new carburetors, and that's this hose right here that goes to the top of the gas tank, and that's just to remove fumes and is not needed. Off with the gas feed line. Take a picture of these levers before you take them off. Old carb out. It actually looks pretty clean, but who knows if those jets are clogged. Swap out the gaskets. New carb in. Reverse the steps and put it all back together. Here we go. It's been running great for the past few minutes, so I'm going to put the original fuel tank back on with the fuel pump and give it a go. It's finally fixed. Thanks for watching and see the parts below.